Hi YouTubers, today I'm gonna be doing maintenance on the IWEs on the actuators for a 2018 Ford Raptor. We got a problem right here, an issue. You have like a rattle noise. I don't think they're bad, the actuators. I think they just need maintenance. By maintenance I mean just putting grease on the, it's like a ring that rattles because of the grease. I'll be showing the process on how to do it. These actually don't grind or anything, so I doubt they're damaged. So you want to start by putting a jack on the subframe. I put a piece of wood to lift it a little higher. Put your jack stand and start by with the tire. Those are 22s on the lug nuts. Okay, we're going to start by removing these two 22s that hold the caliper. Got one right here, one right here, this one, and this one. See them? I accidentally loosened that one up, but that's gonna get time. It's this one. Okay, we'll remove this 10. This, get a zip tie and tie the caliper right here. Okay, so we removed the rotor. Want to remove this. It's a 14 millimeter. You want to bang this crap out of the rotor with a sledgehammer and put a piece of wood on the backside, because the rust, it seizes it up. Once that's removed, you want to remove this this cover. It's 3 8 millimeters. You remove the cover, you remove this ABS sensor 8, and this is like what is it? It's an Allen a 5. Remove that. Once you remove that, you want to remove this control arm. This is I believe a 18, and this tie rod. This is a 22, I believe, or 21. The hardest part would be removing this, because it seizes up from the rust. So you just want to bang it with I use this piece of wood, put it against the backside and banged it, rotate it, keep banging it, and it comes out. Okay, so when you remove the control arm, that's an 18, and you'll be holding this with the 8 wrench. So you hold it because it will spin, and the 18. Same procedure with this outer tie rod. This is a 10, and this is a 13/16 or a 22, I believe. So once you take this off, lift it, comes forward. You want to remove the axle, and I'll show you guys how to do the maintenance on it. So we got the axle with the zip tie. So this is the complaint from the noise. You hear this rattle? You can hear it. There's this rattling in there. So what you do, just lube it up and remove it 3/8. So we have the actuator here. It's like a diaphragm. This is where the vacuum goes on these two lines. This is the diaphragm right here. You guys can see it move. Everything it's in the functional The issue here is the grease. You guys could see this plate. That that's what rattles because of the grease. As you guys can see it right here on this inner part right there, that's where there's no grease. So then you get that play, and this ring right here, that's what has that movement. That's what hits this the spindle right here. So then you get this little rattle noise that goes like that. So all you do, just grease it up, put grease all in here, compact it with your fingers, and on this side too, put grease here on the axle and in here. Just put a lot of grease. I'm using this Mexican brand. You guys can see it. This is a Mexican brand. I'm here working out of Tijuana, California, Baja California, doing this maintenance on this Raptor. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to save a few $100s, don't buy this actuator unless the diaphragm is damaged. You got a noise coming, all you do is just put grease on it, maintenance, and we'll solve that noise, that rattle noise. To put it back together, just the reverse process. Make sure you tighten up all your bolts, nuts. Any comments, questions, just leave comments. So if you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. Your boy Chewy, working out of Tijuana, Baja California. Thank you guys. Hope this video helps.